what sets your quest or your approach maybe apart from the way others have looked at the historical Adam?
My approach differs from Josh's in that in order to have Adam and Eve be the truly universal progenitors of every human being that has ever lived on the face of this planet, I push them deeply into the remote past, somewhere prior to 750,000 years ago. And by putting them so far in prehistory, it enables one to affirm that every person who has ever lived on this planet is a descendant of this primordial, original human couple, which I take to be an essential teaching of Genesis 2, as well as of the statements about Adam in the New Testament.